don't like the one.
We're gonna burn the stuff. It's done.
Actually, Annie likes both.
Ew.
You want to play the Jello?
Oh.
She likes it. She's like, oh, I have 3 devices. I'm like, she's like, why the fuck? And I'm like, you kidding?
And these are my sexy 3D glasses.
Oh my word.
Yeah, we went tubing and they died. Fixing your hair. Did you read the whole thing?
Oh, whoa. Yeah, bro, it's like red. Tired.
What time did we wake up?
I don't know.
We had to wake up early. Lindsay stole my book.
I like it.
That was like the latest song.
He's so rock. You see it? Those rocks.